Hello. Today we're going to be analyzing the rising cost of gas prices in the Canadian and U.S. markets, as well as their correlation to the cost of oil. So why is this topic important? I think this topic is really important as it relates to the everyday life of most, if not all of us, as we all use gas to get around, as well as it's most likely our main mode of transportation through cars, buses, or trains. So right off the bat, when we looked at gas, we compared the prices of Canadian and U.S. gas prices. So one thing that was noticed that we're paying almost double what the U.S. is paying, with our mean being $1.16 per liter, and theirs being $0.67 per liter, both of these adjusted to Canadian prices, and both these over the span of about 30 months. When looking for the prices through a histogram, the Canadian gas prices have a bimodal data distribution, and when you look at the American gas prices, they have a left skew, meaning that there's more on the lower side, causing them to bring down the overall prices. When we made our box and whisker plot, it really showed prevalence of how much the difference was. As you can see, in the American gas prices, most of the points are clustered in the bottom left, versus on the Canadian, there's a lot more on the right, stretching out the graph, and therefore skewing its data. When looking at the standard deviation, we noticed that Canada's was about 0.098, whereas the US's was 0.055. This means, well, in this case, this means that the Canadian gas prices are almost double likeliness to fluctuate, meaning that our prices are moving around way more than the Americans are. When we made our scatter plot and calculated our correlation coefficient, we noticed one thing, that our points matched. So we found that there was actually a strong positive correlation for both of them, just as we predicted, meaning that, just like I said, that there's a strong correlation between the prices of oil and then the prices of gas. In conclusion, overall, Canada, like I said before, pays double the price of the Americans. Canada has a higher fluctuation, which is about double, meaning our prices are moving around more, as well as we have a strong positive correlation, which means that we found success. Our points match up. Oil and gas do have a correlation. Thank you.